Hi, I'm Terry Kratzer coming to you today from my home in Lake Tapps, Washington. And today we're going to just continue our conversation on goal setting and reaching your goals. And the question I have for you today is, are you all in? Now, what do I mean by that? What I mean is, how committed are you to your goals? You have to be all in to really create accomplishment in your life. And that's true whether you're trying to be a better parent, have better relationships, if you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to work out, if you're an athlete striving for the next level accomplishment. Perhaps you're trying to build a business from home. Perhaps you're trying to get a promotion at work, or you're in school, you're going to university, and instead of just getting through university, you actually want to get from university. All of these things require that you be all in. Now, what do I really mean by all in? Well, let's take parenting as an example. You can't be a partial parent. You can't toe dip. You can't take it casually. When that baby comes into the world, you're committed. Now, I get that some people do better at that than others, but most of us want to be the best parent we can be. And that means we got some changes to make in our life, right? I mean, you don't go out partying on Friday and Saturday night. You don't get to sleep in until noon. You've got to, teach your children. You've got to feed your children. There's just a world of things, and there's levels of how you can do it. But the bottom line is, you've just got to be committed. You've got to be all in. The same is true of weight loss. The same is true of anything that's worth doing. It's actually been said that if you treat your goals casually, you'll become a casualty of your goals. And that's really, really true. I mean, let's look as an example. If you were trying to, I always refer to, you can't do this thing by dipping your toe. And that's true. I work with people trying to helping them create success from home. And that's one of the first questions I ask is, how committed are you? Are you all in? And, let's just say you want to learn how to swim. You can't learn to swim by dipping your toe in the water, can you? No. And you can watch people all day. But in order to learn how to swim, you've not only got to get in the water, but you've got to get away from the wall. You've got to push away and actually be all in. You've got to be where you've got to actually either swim or sink or swim, right? Same with riding a bike. Imagine trying to be on a bike, trying to balance that bike, keep it upright, and not go anywhere. No, you've got to pedal. And if you've got training wheels, that's a little bit easier, right? And you can actually maybe balance and stay in one place. But I've got to believe when you decided to ride a bike, that having training wheels for the rest of your life was very likely not quite what you had in mind. So you've got to be all in. And the same is true for your goals. If you found out what it takes to reach there, it's something we've talked about. You got to know where you're going. You've got to find out from someone who has what you're looking for, what it takes to get there. Not somebody that says, oh, gosh, that working at home thing is a scam. They're not the ones that can help you because they don't have a clue. No, you've got to talk to somebody that actually knows what it takes to get there. So if you've got that plan, then the next thing is, are you implementing the plan? Because you can't do that part way. I mean, just imagine if you're trying to lose weight and somebody says, well, this is the diet you need to be on, and you need to be on it for X amount of time till you get the results that you want. And you go, well, I can handle that diet on Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, I go out with my friends. Thursday, maybe I probably could do Thursday as well, but Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, blowout time. Do you think you're going to lose weight in the same way that the other person that the people that have had success have? Absolutely not. The same with working out. If you're trying to build a plan for fitness and you have a plan to do it, daily or 5 days a week, you can't just do it on Tuesday night. You've got to follow the plan to have success. There's a story you may have heard, and it's about breakfast, and they're discussing the chicken and the pig and what the differences are. Well, what it comes down to is the difference between the chicken and the pig is the chicken is involved in breakfast, but the pig is committed. And so you've really got to be like that pig, and you've got to be committed to your goals. You've got to be committed to your dreams, because your dreams are worth it. Your family is worth it. What you want is worth it, but most of all, you're worth it. So I hope that this has been helpful to you. Again, find out what it is you need to do, make a plan to do it, and then be all in. Sell yourself out to that plan and make it non-negotiable. That's the other thing. You can't negotiate your journey to success. So many people, they find out what they want and then they want to negotiate it, like we were saying, Monday, Tuesday, whatever. You can't negotiate that. You have to simply follow the plan. That's one of the thing that will take somebody out every time, is trying to then negotiate what they have to do so that they can do what's convenient, because success is not convenient. You can't choose to have success in any area and do it at your convenience. If someone is telling you that you can, they're lying to you. So run as fast as you can, as far as you can, because you may be able to do it in a part-time basis, but you can't do it at your convenience. So I hope that this has been helpful. I hope that you've learned something today, or at least have something in your mind that can settle into your mind and help you move forward in whatever it is you're trying to improve in your life. Remember that, first you've got to be committed, and, and if being all in, means being all in your mind, it means being all in your heart, but then mostly what it means in addition is being all in your activity, because it's, we can all sit and dream, but it's the people that get up and do that will actually get a chance to live those dreams rather than just think about them. So, again, I'd love to hear from you, and if you're one of those people that's looking for a way to change your financial situation, if you'd like to figure out a way to work from home, or if you already have a home-based business and you're feeling frustrated because you're not able to reach out and find the people you need, click the button below and watch the video, and I'll be back in touch with you with additional training to help you learn how that you can build a business from home, using not using the phone, not spending hours and hours and hours a day, but with the world as your backyard, finding people that are equally excited as you are to create their dreams and helping them get started. I would love to work with you. I would love to help you grow your business, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Thank you again for stopping by. Terry Krotzer, bye-bye for now.